In this video, I'm going to show how to transcribe audio to text. Just a few clicks, and you're done. So if you're looking to transcribe audio to text quickly and accurately, make sure to follow all the steps carefully. Let's dive right in. First, open your browser. Now go to Google and search for Transcribe web version. Click on the link that says Transcribe for web. Once you're on the site, sign up using your Google account. It's completely free. I have already signed in. You should now see the Transcribe dashboard. Let's start converting your audio to text. Click the New button, then select Audio Project. Now click Add File, and upload the audio you want to transcribe. I'm going to use this file as an example. After the file is uploaded, select your language and click Done. The tool will automatically convert your entire audio into text in just a few clicks. As you can see, my audio was fully transcribed with no hassle. If you want to make any changes, just click on the word and edit it directly. With your free account, you get up to 1 hour of transcription time. This is perfect for short interviews, voice memos, or podcasts. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you next time. Take care.